ऐसा आदमी मैं हूं और मेरे लिए अगर ये बीजेपी के लोग डरा कर मुझे झुकाना चाहते हैं, मैं कभी नहीं झुकूंगा। मैं टूट जाऊंगा लेकिन झुकूंगा नहीं, ये याद रखो। डराने से मैं डरने वाला। I am forced to stand up today and condemn Sri Anurag Thakur's wild allegations. I expect an apology from the leader of House. That is the very least the ruling party can and must do. If Sri Thakur cannot prove his allegation, he has no right be in parliament. He should resign. I seek, and if it is proved, I will resign. Even if he proves a 1 acre of walk land is occupied by me or my children, it is my challenge. If such allegations made, some papers leaving on the table and damaging us, I am not going to afraid of these things, sir. I am a son of laborer. I am a textile laborers workers union. I am also a leader of the laborers, and then I became Block Congress Committee President, and today I am AICC President. I was long way, and Deve Gowda ji was with me. I was with him. Then
you made your point.
Sir, no, it hurts me. अगर मेरे जीवन में असेंबली में कोई मुझे उंगली उठा के नहीं बोला देवे गौड़ा जी यहाँ है, अगर एक बार कोई किसी ने बोला तो पूरा हाउस उठ के मेरे इसके लिए वो अपॉलॉजी मांगी। चीफ मिनिस्टर आके मेरे बाजू में बैठ के अपॉलॉजी मांगे। ऐसा आदमी मैं हूं और मेरे लिए अगर ये बीजेपी के लोग डरा कर मुझे झुकाना चाहते हैं, मैं कभी नहीं झुकूंगा। मैं टूट जाऊंगा लेकिन झुकूंगा नहीं, ये याद रखो। डराने से मैं डरने वाला नहीं हूं, और 1 इंच भी अगर जगह मैंने अगर किसी की ली, अरे मैंने तो उस एरिया से आता हूं साहब, जिस एरिया में मुझे एक सेगमेंट में मुस्लिम के 1,20,000 वोट मुझे मिलते हैं। 1,20,000 एक ही सेगमेंट से, और मुझे ये लगाते हो। और वो ठाकुर को जरा आप बुद्धि बोलिए, नहीं तो हाँ, अरे अनुराग ठाकुर भाई जात नहीं,
one second on
जात नहीं बोलता।
Leader of the opposition, please sir, you have made your points.
No, this is very, sir, I condemn it. So I want your protection.
Yes.
I want your protection.
Yes,
he should apologize.
I would.
On behalf of him, the leader of the house should apologize. This is my demand.
One second. Honorable members, 1 second. You see, when leader of the opposition, president of the Congress party, has made observations expressing his deep anguish, I would allow. You want to say something? And then I would react from the chair.
Chairman, sir, we heard the anguish and the words expressed by the Honorable Leader of the Opposition. I have stated earlier also, as a colleague, we must have high regard for each other. And Mallikarjun Kharge ji, what is this?
Please.
You want to speak? You speak.
Honorable members, 1 second. Honorable members.
Let this direct operator speak.
Honorable members.
You speak on behalf of me. You speak.
Honorable members.
Let him speak.
A little while
What
ago.
right he has to make
One second.
this kind of comment?
1 second.